Assalamu alaikum and good morning to one and all present here.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and very cheerful good morning to one and all present here.
Respected Sohail sir, principal ma'am, beloved teachers, and dear students. Today is not just a day. Today is a day of honor, responsibility, and leadership. A day when we acknowledge and celebrate the power of democracy, the value of student voice, and the success of our institution. With the anchor of today's program, welcome you all to the Investiture Ceremony 2025 of Pyramid International School.
To begin this beautiful morning with the blessings of Almighty Allah, we invite Ahmed Raza of Grade 1 and Fatima of Fixed Translation of Grade 1 for a beautiful soul.
Suratul Zuha Makkiyah Ayatuha Atasara Rukuha Vaid A'udhu Billahi Minas Shaitanir Rajim Bismillahirrahmanirrahim Wazzuha Wallayli Iza Saja Ma wattaka rabbuka wa ma khala وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَىٰ أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَىٰ وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَىٰ وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَىٰ فَأَمَّا اليتيم فلا تقهر فأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, by the morning brightness and the night when it covers with darkness, your Lord has neither whose can you nor it is displeased. Primarily, the hereafter is better for you than the first, and verily, your Lord will give you so that you will be pleased. They will notify you and often give you repeat. He found you lost and guided you, and he found you poor and made you self-sufficient. So as for the orphan, be not oppressive, but as for the favor of your Lord, report it. Thank you.
Jazakallah khair for such a calming and spiritual beginning.
Before we proceed to honor our young leaders today, let us take a proud moment to honor a towering pillar of our institution, a man of vision and values, a leader whose footsteps have created the very path we now walk on, our director, Mr. Sohail Ahmed sir. By the grace of Allah, our director sir has once again been elected as the president, a position of prestige, purpose, and pride. Once a man planted a small educational sapling in the soil of Aurangabad. He watered with the values, nurtured it with the vision, and protected it with the prayers. That sapling grew, and today it stands strong as a Pyramid International School. And this man is none other than Asa, a leader, a mentor, and now the president.
Student, do you know what is Sahudia? Well, Sahudia is a wider group of CBSE affiliated schools. This has a wider range of currently 260 active CBSE affiliated schools across the nation. All the schools has 260 school has chosen our ideal as a president, which is none other than Sohail Ahmed Sir. So student, congratulate him with a big round of applause, our ideal Sohail Ahmed Sir.
Being elected as the president means Sir Sohail is now leading this change regionally, uplifting not just our school, but many schools across the district. So we are honored to have you as a guiding light.
Behind every successful institution, there is a vision of a director and a support of principal to it who takes the dream to come true. So today we are honored to facilitate the president of Sahodia by our caring principal Almaz ma'am. I request Principal ma'am to kindly come forward and present a bouquet in honor of President. Thank you, ma'am. Let's give a big round of applause to the man who take Pyramid International School to the greatest height of Aurangabad.
Thank you. And now, carrying the same spirit of leadership forward, let's turn to the young leaders who will uphold these values among them. Let the ceremony begin. At Pyramid, we believe that leadership is not just a post, it's a practice. Every year, we conduct school election where students camping, deliver speeches, and are elected by the votes. Just like a real democratic system, they are selected for the various roles: head boy and head girl, discipline in charge, culture secretary, eco club, and sports. Through this process, our students learn teamwork, fairness, decision making, and most importantly, how to live with integrity. Now comes the moment that has kept our student leaders on the edge. The moment where the leader rise, not just by the birth, but by words, values, and the voice.
Yes, it is a time to announce our School Council 2025. Now we lift the curtain in our chosen star one by one. We will unveil the name of those who earn your votes, your trust, and your expectations. Let's begin with the most awaited movement of the day.
Yes, all right. Let me ask you, what should be announced first? Head boy, head girl, or other? I know you all want to know about the head girl. So let's the curiosity remain in yourself. We will start with the sports secretary.
Yeah, Sport Lover is the house. This is one for you. Here are the leader who will manage our matches, cheers, and every player. Can you have some cheers for our sport in charge? You think, who is your sport in charge? And in boys? So hold your breath. The one who scored highest vote in boys is Shayan from grade 8. Now I would like to call our respected Sohail sir to appreciate with a badge to Shayan for being selected for the post of sport in charge. Thank you, sir, for encouraging our student. The one who scored the highest vote in girls is Javeria from 9th A. Now I would like to call our beloved principal Almas ma'am to encourage a badge to Javeria for being selected for the post of sport in charge. Start. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for encouraging our student.
Next up, our Planet Warriors, the green team that will lead cleanliness drive, tree plantation, and environment. So the Eco Club in charge in the boys Ammar of class 9. I request Sohail sir to kindly award the sash to our young leader. Eco in club in charge in girls. 9th A Zainab. Zainab Dange. I request ma'am to kindly award the sash to our leaders. Now it's the time to announce the heartbeat of every celebration, the creator of colors, our culture secretary. Yes, it's a time to call in voice Zishan of 10th B. And in girls Nargis of class 8. I request ma'am to please honor the presenting sash to our culture secretary.
Now let's meet the one who will walk straight, speak right, and set the tone for respectful behavior. Any idea who I'm talking about? Yes. I'm talking about the discipline in charge. The one who scored the maximum votes in boys is Arsalan from grade 8. Now, I would like to call our respected sir to appreciate with a badge to Arsalan for being of discipline in charge. Thank you, sir, for encouraging our student. The one who scored majority of votes in girls is Tanzila from 9th A. Now, I would like to call our beloved principal Almas ma'am to encourage Tanzila with a badge for being selected of post of discipline in charge. Thank you, ma'am. Let's appreciate our future mentor.
Okay, I think we have waited long enough. The time has come. Should we announce it now? Are you ready to hear your head boy and head girl names? All right. Presenting to you the torchbearers of Primary International School, the leader with the voice, vision, and values. So, the head boy who scored maximum vote. Any guess in boys? Arham of class 10th B.
No issues.
I request the sir to please kindly award the sash to the student. And in girls, Ramsha of 9th B. Yes.
solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge the duties entrusted to me as a member of the Student Council of Pyramid International School. I promise to lead by example, to be honest, respectful, and responsible in thought, word, and action. I will uphold the values of discipline, unity, and service, and promote a positive environment within my school and among my peers. I shall carry out my responsibilities with sincerity and strive to bring honor and pride to my school, my teachers, and my fellow students. With faith in Allah, I pride in my school. I take this oath to serve with courage, commitment, and compassion. Inshallah, I will fulfill my duties sincerely.
Thank you, ma'am. After getting up the responsibility of the department, it is necessary to get the view of other youth. So let's call the leaders to know how they feel after becoming a leader and getting up the responsibility. Now I call our head boy Arham.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Arham Siddiqui. I stand before you to accept the role of head boy, but the testament to the trust and confidence you have placed me. I committed to working collaboratively with our student council and all of you to ensure that our school continues to thrive in excellence and unity. Thank you for giving me opportunity.
Now I call Ramsha.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Khan Ramshah of grade 9th B, was standing for the post of head girl. I have positive leadership skills. I promise that I became the school head girl. I will make the school best use of my opportunity. I will give my 100% for this task and perform my task as good as possible. Thank you.
Now I call Shayan from 8th.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and a very good morning to everyone. I am truly honored to stand here as a sports in charge of our school council. I thank all of you for your trust and support. Together, let's make our school proud not just by winning matches but by building strong, united teams and unforgettable memories. Thank you. Let's play with passion and lead with purpose. Thank you.
Now I call Javeria from 9th A. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to everyone present over here. I am Javeria Fatima from 9th A. As you all have supported me, first of all, thank you so much for that. And I promise that I will support sports and manage and try to help everyone. And once again, thank you so much. And at last, I want to say that हम वो नहीं जो मौक़ों का इंतज़ार करते हैं, हम वो हैं जो मौके खुद बनाते हैं. ज़मीं पर सोच कर आसमां की बात करो, क्योंकि हौसले जिनके बुलंद हो, वही कामयाब होते हैं. Once again, thank you so much for supporting me. Now I call Ammar from 9th A.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm from 9th A. I'm honored to be elected as a candidate for the Ego Club. I'm committed to make our school great, clean, and greener. Thank you.
Now I call Zainab from grade 9th.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zainab standing here today. I feel excited and hopeful because I believe we can bring real change together. Together we can turn our school into a greener, cleaner and happier place. Because hope is not loud, it grows in silence like sunlight through a window or roots beneath the ground. And when we believe, even small hands can build a better world. With your support, I believe we can make real change. Thanking you for voting me. I am Zanab and I am ready to lead with heart, with vision and with purpose. Thank you.
Now I call Arsalan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Arslan Ahmed. I am from grade 8. I am honored to take on the role of discipline in charge in our school council. I thank my teachers and friends for their support and believe in me. Let's work together to build our school where discipline is not a burden but a badge of pride. Thank you, Jazakallah.
Now I like to call Tanzila.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to everyone. I am Tanzila Khan and I feel extremely proud to be standing here today as a discipline in charge. I express my gratitude for participating in the election. I believe in the importance of collaborating and teamwork in building a strong school community. So let's work together and build a strong school and respectful learning environment. Thank you for your support and vote.
Listen. Everyone learn from their idols, so I would like to call our president on stage and have some valuable words for our youth.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Congratulations, winner team. और आप लोगों ने एक 8 दिन से लगभग ये इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी आज हुई है. इससे पहले आपने वोटिंग का जो सिस्टम देखा, ये सिस्टम क्या है? इससे क्या सीखा आपने? क्या सीखा आपने? डेमोक्रेसी. अच्छा, डेमोक्रेसी के साथ-साथ और क्या और किस टाइप के रूलिंग्स होते हैं, पता है आपको? डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स क्या? ओके, बैठिए. डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स क्या? रूल ऑफ पीपल। सभी को समझ में आया क्या रूल ऑफ पीपल क्या है? डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स रूलिंग का एक सिस्टम जिसमें आप लोग आप में से किसी को चुनते हैं और वो रूल करते हैं कुछ टाइम के लिए। लगभग इसका जो टेन्योर फिक्स होता है वो 5 इयर्स होता है। इसका क्या सिस्टम है थोड़ा सा डिटेल में आपको मैं समझाना चाहता हूँ। ये समझना आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये जो एक्टिविटी हुई एक्चुअल इसको हमको समझने के लिए ही डेमोक्रेसी समझ। तो ये जो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है ये अपॉर्चुनिटी सिर्फ स्कूल की हद तक नहीं है। ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको आपके जिंदगी में भी कंटिन्यूअस आगे लेके जाएगी। कंटिन्यूअस आपको जो है लीड करना है, कंटिन्यूअस आपको आगे बढ़ना है और यही सिस्टम से आपको आगे बढ़ना है कि आप इंसाफ करेंगे। अगर आप जस्टिस नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप पार्शलिटी करेंगे तो आपकी जो पावर है वो छीन ली जाएगी और जिंदगी में भी आप आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे। तो जितने बड़े बिजनेसमैन हैं, जितने बड़े लीडर्स हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने स्कूल पीरियड के अंदर अच्छे से लीड किए हैं, इसीलिए वो अच्छा बिजनेस कर पाए, अच्छा लीडर बन पाए। तो इंशाल्लाह ये सारी चीजें आप करेंगे और अच्छे लीडर बनेंगे।
As all good things come to an end, so must this beautiful celebration of leadership, democracy, and success. But before we close, it's our privilege to express our heartfelt gratitude. First and the foremost, a big thank you to our director, Sir Sohail Ahmed, whose vision, dedication, and recent re-election as the president has made us all incredibly proud. Sir, we are thank you for being an inspiration and a guiding light.
At the last, we would like to thank our director for giving their precious and being throughout with us. Our next warm thanks to our principal for arranging program and being with us in this memorable movement. A heartful thank to our supervisor and the teaching staff to cooperate with the program, and very special thanks to the non-teaching staff for overall arrangements. Last but not the least, a thanks to the students cooperate with us and being with us. And always remember, this is not the end, but this is the beginning, the great thing. Thank you all. Have a great day.
As we conclude, let us walk out not just but with a responsibility in our hearts. Don't wait to lead tomorrow. Start where you are. Lead where you stand today. May Allah guide all our leaders to the right path. Jazakallah khair. Thank you.